Passengers on American Airlines Flight 2035 got a surprise start to their day on September 10. Shortly after taking off from Philadelphia International Airport, their flight to San Francisco was forced to turn back, just 30 minutes into the journey. The reason? Multiple bird strikes, confirmed by the FAA. Thankfully, the Airbus A321 landed safely back in Philadelphia, and no injuries were reported. American Airlines quickly rebooked travelers on another aircraft, which departed a few hours later and reached San Francisco without incident. The original plane is now under inspection by maintenance crews. In the U.S., nearly 19,400 were reported just last year, often peaking during bird migration periods between July and October. While most are minor, some can cause serious damage. Airports are fighting back with radar, trained animals, and habitat management to keep birds away from runways. But experts say the key is preparation and quick response. For Flight 2035 passengers, what could have been a morning of panic ended safely, a reminder that air travel remains one of the safest ways to fly, even when surprises happen. Subscribe for more aviation news.